Welcome back to the channel, you Kookz. Today we are chilling at the campsite, and of course we're eating as usual. And I was going to show you how the campsite is prepared. So I make a little side section here for my grill top. I'm going to cook a steak, and then I just kind of have my fire here, and once I get it started I just push all those coals over to here. So that's kind of what's happening now.
Let me get the grate.
Then we'll get that cooktop on there and show you what it's like. So the lovely van assistant.
Let's see.
So it just goes something like that, and we'll get it level and then throw that steak on there. All right, the steak is on. I got pepper and salt and some rosemary, and we're about to get after it. It's helpful to have a little pile of tiny sticks so you can get a little bit of flame going under it. And then it's about ready, so I'm gonna pull it off. Steak is done.
Oh yeah.
Danny's prepared some salads for us. And yeah, that's how the Vankookz cook on the fire. Shout outs to Gus and CP. I doubt they're watching this, but they showed us it, so they would be proud. We're getting all packed up. We're gonna head out of here. We're gonna hit the farmer's market and do some other stuff. I just want to show you, look how much pollen just like dumped onto the van the last few days.
Kevin's not excited about the total. I don't think this is a very good video for us to realize. But we spent $92 at the farmer's market, and this is our bounty. So we got some lion's mane mushrooms, which look beautiful. And we got some king oyster mushrooms. Dude, did we? Oh yeah, and then we got the cinnamon top mushrooms. I've never tried those. We're down for the exotic fungi. And we got some arugula, some uncured nitrate-free, sugar-free bacon, and we got some paleo beef with like liver and heart in it. This is like our favorite farmer's market because they have like the best meats. And then alpaca, and then ground yak, which is also paleo, heart and liver inside. Ooh. Oh yeah, and then this is like elk bacon cheeseburger. Yeah.
We linked back up with Wes and we headed up to the Newberry volcano. We did a sweet little hike, found a hot spring, relaxed for a bit, and then we headed out. And since COVID has messed up all the festivals this year, we decided that we were gonna have our own festival. So the first stop is La Pine. We're gonna go to the Hole in the Ground. It's where Descend on Bend is. We're gonna just spend a night there, and then we're gonna head to the Alvord Desert, and we are going to have ourselves our own little not Burning Man. So that's gonna be fun, and let's see what else we get into along the way. So we came out to the Hole in the Ground. This is where they have Descend on Bend, and there's also a shooting range at our campsite. A 2-for-1 deal here.
Well, the guy that's to the left, he's doing automatic.
We are leaving the Hole in the Ground, and we're headed to a antelope refuge. It has a pretty sweet hot spring. We didn't really know what to check out in Eastern Oregon, and thanks to a few people on Instagram, especially at YoTerryH, for giving us some advice. So we took his advice and we headed out to Heart Mountain to check out the campsite up there. Also guys, if you know anywhere for the Kookz to stop on their road trip this summer, leave it in the comments. We're heading to Idaho next, so I'm looking forward to your guys' suggestions.
So we came up to Oregon because we wanted to get away from California temps, and this is what we get. It's still winter here. Check it out.
So here's the roof. covered in POW. Gotta start getting some solar. Alright, so we're back. We're at Spot X Hot Springs. And we're about to hit the hot springs. Wes is already in there. It's, as you can see, it snowed on us last night. It's been pretty cool up here. Just kind of show you the surroundings if you know where we're at.
You've taken the natural path of Oregon.
Yeah, so we're out here in the Oregon Outback on the Vankookz Exploregon Tour. We're gonna check out these Spot X hot springs. Oh, our own spot. The VIP Vankookz hot tub.
Oh, it's bubbling.
Here at Spot X.
Yeah, I pre-warmed it for everybody.
Wes pre-warmed it. All right, we're done soaking and it's time to head back to camp and get the campfire going and make some food. But yeah, this is an amazing spot.
Wow.
Yeah. Right when it gets nice and melts, it's back. Woo! Summer camping.
We got in the hot spring one last time before we left the campsite today, and it's a beautiful day. Too bad we couldn't stick around, but apparently there's lots of mosquitoes, and we got the tail end of that as we were leaving. We were happy with the hail that we got while we were there, because I wouldn't want to be dealing with mosquitoes. So right now we are heading to the Alvord Desert, and we have a long unsealed road. It feels like Baja mixed with like Wanaka in New Zealand or something. I think we have like 54 miles to go on this unsealed road, and as all of our things from above are raining down on us from all the bumps in the road, we're deciding to air down the tires. Wish we got those coyote plugs.
Yeah, but we do have tire pressure gauges, so we'll probably drop them down to like 40 and see how it feels.
Yeah, those are free at Discount Tire if you go by there to get your air check. Just ask for one of those.
It's called reading. Power of now.
Power of now. Purpose-built moto. It's looking beautiful out here. So the tire pressure's down to about 40 psi, and let's see if it's a smoother ride.
Since we aired down, it has been a much smoother ride. It feels like we're floating, Kevin said at one point.
Alright guys, we made it to the Alvord Desert.
The playa.
It's crazy out here.
Yeah.
We're gonna have ourselves a little not Burning Man this week.
Not Burning Man. Not Burning Man.
But yeah, we're gonna just drive around and find a spot, and yeah. Danny wants to take a picture first. All right, camp set up. I got my makeshift awning. So I got these 8-foot poles here, and then this is 10. So it's a 10 by 10. And then I just hold it up with these little bungees. Got a lot of room under here. I tie up my triangle there. Then I just double up and I'll hit it to the roof rack. So yeah, that's how the camp gets set up when we're feeling good. And this desert spot is absolutely gorgeous. And Wes has got the Slim Shady awning. Everyone's out enjoying sunset.
Not Burning Man 2020.
Not Burning Man.
Vankookz Village, not Burning Man.
going off. It's crazy.
We went out to the middle of the desert to see what kind of art was out here at Not Burningman, and we found some wood. Yeah, we're gonna have a fire tonight.
So we're just pilfering, Viking style. Thank God Wes has the rack. Just survived the second dust storm. The first one took our awning down and just shredded it. So it's now our new rug. And we built the fire pit. And we got the wood from Center Camp. And we're just taking it easy.
Let's start a revolution. My name is him.
Not Burningman has come to an end. The man burns tonight here on our wonderful ceremonial setup. We're gonna pull the awning down just so we don't have to do it in the morning. The crew is ready to go to Idaho. Woo! Yeah! And we will see you guys next time. We'll be up to some more kookery.
Cookery!
Like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys later.
Later!